there.
How you guys doing?
Pretty good. I just got a car from my grandma. It looks like it's in pretty bad shape, so I thought I'd bring it over here to let you inspect it beforehand, make sure I'm not driving around the death box.
Something like that, we can do a pre-purchase inspection, which we can do an overall checkup of the whole car from the front bumper to the back bumper.
All right, sounds like it's a good idea.
So we had the inspection done by the technician. Everything turned out really good. A change of oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, and the car's in excellent shape.
I have to thank a lot.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Have a great day.